this is Lisa's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. This is your host Lisa. So today I got, well, yesterday I got these black gloves finished yesterday. I got those done, and I worked on scrunchie. Got that done. I still have that shrug to work on, and the bag. I still have to put the skulls on here yet. I have to work on that, and the skulls are gonna be like the ones on this bag. That's the kind of skulls I'm gonna put on there. I just gotta go and look up the pattern again. I found it here on YouTube. I can't remember who did it, but there's umpteen different ones out there. There's umpteen different people that did it. And I still want to work on the boot cuffs yet, and I still have to get the string for I still have to, kind of tired still. I still got to work on the string for around the leg warmers, and of course I gotta still finish the chickens and the turtles I have to get to. I don't know how much I'm gonna get to. I was pretty busy yesterday. I had some things to take care of. Yeah, but I'm just happy I got these done, because today is really cloudy. I still have to take some photos of some of the stuff that I want to put up on my Etsy. I just haven't gotten that far. I still got tucked strings in, so just probably procrastinating. Yeah. Sometimes I do things slower than I want to, and it depends on what I all got going on here. Sometimes we're a little bit busier than other days. So yeah, things to do. And I had to do all the wash yesterday too, so that was a lot that was going on. I still have more things to do. Always thinking up more stuff, so yeah, so I gotta get those skulls done. I gotta go and look up the pattern, like I said. And I want to make it so that it's on top of the hands, not, because this one keeps turning. And then I'll match that purse too, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's what I got. That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna have to do the skulls, and then if I have time, I'm gonna work on the shrug, and hopefully finish the arms on that. Well, the shoulders and the arms on it, because I just want to get it done and over with. But I got now that I got all the gloves done, so I gotta find the orange ones here. Hang on. I am disorganized. Well, they're still right here. So then I'll have like the white ones, the orange ones. The white ones are a little bit shorter, not by a lot, but yeah. I have to tuck in the strings on the white ones, take photos, do the skulls. Like I said, I might not get the photos done for Etsy today. I will do them this week though, sometime. I got a few more things I want to take photos of and tuck strings in and get it put up there. So if you get a chance, go over to my Etsy and take a look. I mean, if you want the pattern, let me know, because I can tell you where to get it or how to do it. Like this one, this pattern I had to figure out on my own. They didn't they didn't, when I read the directions, it didn't say what I could see in the picture that it needs to be done this way, but it didn't say that in the written pattern. I don't know what they were. It could have been like photo. It could have been like, these could have been like, how can I say this? While the pattern looked like it wasn't a real. The pattern was real, but the gloves they were showing weren't the same as what the pattern said it was. So I had to figure it out on my own by going by the picture. Maybe it was AI. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, there. Just gotta get those skulls done now. I know sometimes my updates are slow, but like I said, I got other things to do here. I got people to see, places to run to. It's just how it is. It's a running household, so I have to do my part too. I hope your day is going well. Please let me know what you're working on today, or finishing up. Love to hear about it. Yeah. So now that I got those all done, those skulls won't take that long because I only have to make 2. And then I have some other stuff I want to get to. I want to get to that shrug, I think, today if I can. If I get motivated enough. It's it rained this morning. I don't know, not sure if it's still raining or it might be. But anyways. But that is what I'm doing today, hopefully. Just depends on how distracted I get, I guess. So please subscribe to my channel if you like to crochet. Hit like, leave a comment. Always love to hear from subscribers, and love to have new subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel. It'd be appreciated. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep doing more stuff and keep showing you what I'm doing. Just progress, I guess. Yep. So now that I got all 3 of them, like I promised I was gonna, I want to start sticking to what I say I'm gonna do. Oh, and that strawberry pattern is below. If you go to the strawberry tutorial on YouTube here, if you go there, the pattern is now in the drop down box. So you can like copy it or crochet with the video. You know, you're welcome to stop the video and then like go a little bit forward so you can see what I'm doing on there. Or if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Always love to answer any questions. If I can answer it, I will. Yeah. So I got that up yesterday. I forgot I did that. But anyways, I got that done. Yeah, so sorry it took me so long to get it out. I should have did that like a long time ago, and there's stuff happened and things changed. So now that we have a permanent place, that we're not going to be moving ever from here. I really enjoy this place, so we're lucky to have found it. So, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you soon.